Well, in Montpelier today, Governor Phil Scott swearing in Vermont's newest Superior Court judge.
NBC5's Tyler Boronsky spoke to both the governor and the new judge about why she's the right choice.
It's been a long time coming for Jennifer Barrett, the former state attorney in Orleans County. After extensive experience prosecuting a wide variety of criminal cases, she's ready to take on the challenge of being Vermont's newest Superior Court judge.
I just think that I have the experience. I'm an experienced trial attorney. I've tried over 50 cases to verdict. I know the inside of a courtroom, and I think it's important for judges to have that type of experience.
This marks the 12th judge that the governor has appointed to the Superior Court during his tenure. A process that is significant every step of the way.
Every appointment is important, especially in the judiciary, and it's something that I don't take lightly.
To Barrett's colleagues, her character is what stands out the most.
When both myself and a fellow deputy were faced with racial bias, Jennifer zealously fought for justice and fairness. I am so proud and so fortunate to have an advocate like Jennifer Barrett.
The governor echoing the same sentiments.
The 4 C's, I call them, and first is character and integrity. That's number one. You have to be capable as well. You have to have commitment, but there also has to be chemistry. That's the 4th C, and she has all of those.
David Slay, a defense attorney, knows what it's like to go up against Barrett firsthand, but even he had to partake in showing his respect.
I don't think I've met anybody in my life who I thought was more naturally talented and capable of making that transition than Jen.
Barrett takes the place of Nancy Waples on the state's trial court bench after Waples was appointed to Vermont's Supreme Court in February.
That was Tyler Boronsky reporting.